What is up, guys? My name is Sam. If you're new to the channel, I run a drain cleaning business here out of New Jersey, and I make these videos for other drain cleaners to, that want to learn the trade or get this information from, the information I didn't have when I was, when I started this business. So hopefully you can find some useful information here. Anyway, so I am still in the fight with inventory control. As I add more trucks, as I get more guys, I have this problem now, which is keeping up with inventory. Never had this issue before, and I know that there are other probably apps out there that can do this stuff, but I like the simple things. I still like pen and paper. So the idea here is, I'll show you. As you can see, I just opened a regular Google document, right? And what I've done is I've been labeling all these beans right here with the tubula, all that stuff you need to do your drain cleaning work out there, sinks and things like that. So how do I have my guys, how do I keep control of inventory? It's kind of like a big problem because the other day I cleaned one van and there was like 5 hammers in the van, and then tons of stuff that is just dead doing anything, taking space, waste of money here on the shop. So I am trying to find solutions on how to fix it. So as you can see, every label there is numbered, and so what I'm doing here is I put number, which it will be the item number, description of the item on the second box. On the third box will be quantity of items that should be in the box, and this will be blank for you to enter the items that you see inside the bin or the box. So I'm gonna print this page and I'm gonna hand it to my guys every Friday of every week, and based on this, on what I see here, if I see that they have more of something, I'll have them take them out and put it on an overstock bin. And also I can use these data to go to either online to supplyhouse.com or Home Depot or whatever, guys, eBay, I don't know, whatever you get, whatever the stuff is cheaper, let's put it that way. And I can order based on what I see here, and then Monday morning that box will be outside. I'll grab that box, I'll put it next to the technician's truck, and she'll be able to open the box and fill up all the bins. I think that's a really cool idea to keep track for now, to keep track and kind of know what you have in the truck and what you don't have on the truck. So anyway, if you have a better solution, you can go ahead and put it in the comments below. I'm more than happy to see what other people think, and this is why I like to make these videos, because I have made so many friends and I've gotten so many good advice from guys, telling me stuff that I didn't even know it was out there. So this is really cool. Anyway, if it goes wrong, I will also share that with you and tell you not to do it. But I think it's just gonna go right. I think it's gonna be a success. So till next time.